Hey, welcome to your second video for today on the Precision Data Analytics channel. Again, we're working with one of the bluest of the blue chip stocks, Ford Motor Company stock symbol what? That's right, stock symbol F. Here's a question for you. How many stocks symbols are a single letter? There's you go. How many stocks? That's your quiz for today. Drop a comment in below. Let me know how many stocks actually have a single letter for their symbol. Okay. So what I want you to notice, this is actually a very basic naive model. This is sort of like a benchmark. You kind of, if your more advanced models are not more accurate than a naive model, then you probably don't need a more advanced model. But anyway, so we're using naive, we're using ETS, we use ARIMA, and finally we're going to look at a profit model. Okay. But what you notice here is that the actual values for the time period are within the 75% predictive interval, which probably means it's a good forecast. Even though it says horizontal, it means a 75% chance that the actual values are going to be within the darker gray, and that's what we see here so far, right? What about ETS? Well, we're basically seeing the same thing in ETS. Okay, straight line within a 75% accuracy level. Predictive interval level. What about the basic ARIMA? You can see there's a slight bit of a wrinkle in the line, but again, all the numbers are still within the 75% accuracy level for what? For the predictive level. Okay, and this is the ARIMA model. Finally, let's look at an adjusted ARIMA model. A little bit of wiggly there, but you know there's a slight bit of wavering in the actual shadows. But again, all three of these models are really telling the same story. The predicted numbers are within range of the actual numbers. What about the profit model? Okay, the profit is saying big dip coming in August, big dip, even though this is the actual number here, right? Well, the trouble is, it's actually saying the predicted value is below that number, okay, which doesn't make any sense. Anyway, there you have it. Very quick analysis. This is the what's the channel called again? Anyway, this is anyway. Before I leave you here, by all means, do me a big favor and click that like button for me.